In this video, we study the flow due to a rotating disk. The flow due to a rotating disk is also known as Karman flow. This is the figure 1. This figure 1 shows the flow pattern in the disk. Let us consider the flow due to a disk which rotates with an angular velocity omega about an axis perpendicular to its plane in a fluid otherwise at rest. In order to avoid the edge effect, the disk is considered to be of infinite radius. Due to the action of the centrifugal forces, the fluid near the disk will be thrown outward. So VR exists due to rotation of the disk. Vz is also exist, and Vz and V theta is also exist. Thus, in this case, all the three components of velocity in the cylindrical coordinate will be exist, and the boundary conditions for the motion are at z is equal to 0, Vr is equal to 0, V theta is equal to R omega, and Vz is equal to 0, and as z tends to infinite, Vr is equal to 0 and V theta is equal to 0. Since the motion is steady and symmetrical in theta direction, so we have delta by delta t is equal to 0 and delta by delta theta is equal to 0. Therefore, the Navier-Stokes equation are in reduced form. Equation of continuity is 1 upon r delta by delta r into rvr plus delta vz by delta z is equal to 0, and equation of motion is r component is equal to rho into Vr delta V by delta R plus Vz delta Vr by delta Z minus V theta square upon R minus delta P by delta R plus mu del square Vr upon delta R square plus 1 by R delta Vr by delta R plus del square Vz by delta Z square minus Vr upon R square. And equation for theta component, rho into Vr delta V theta upon delta R plus Vz into delta V theta upon delta Z plus Vr into V theta upon R is equal to mu into del square V theta upon del R square plus 1 by R delta V theta by delta R plus del square V theta by delta Z square minus V theta by R square. And equation in Z component is rho into Vr delta Vz by delta R plus Vz by delta Z is equal to minus delta P by delta Z plus mu del square Vz by del R square plus 1 by R delta Vz by delta R plus del square Vz by delta Z square. So now we take the following form of velocity and pressure distribution. Take Vr is equal to omega r into fz, V theta is equal to omega r into gz, and Vz is equal to omega nu की power half into hz, and P is equal to rho V nu into capital PZ. Substituting, this is the equation number 1. Substituting equation 1 in the above equation, we have equation of continuity. Equation of continuity is 1 by r delta by delta r into omega r square f plus under root nu into omega h dash is equal to 0. Or solving it, we get twice omega f plus under root nu into omega h dash is equal to 0. This implies twice f plus nu upon omega की power half into h dash is equal to 0. This is the equation number 2, which is the reduce in using of equation number 1. Now equation of motion, r component is equal to rho into r omega square f square plus nu omega की power half h into r omega f dash minus r omega square g square is equal to 0 plus mu into 0 plus omega f upon f square plus r omega f double dash minus omega f upon r. और इसको and this become f square minus g square plus nu upon omega की power half into h f dash is equal to nu upon omega cube into f double dash. This is equation number 3. And theta component equation is become rho into r omega square plus g plus nu omega की power half into h into r omega g dash plus r omega square f g. This is equal to mu into 0 plus omega into g upon r plus r omega g double dash minus omega g upon r. On simplification, then this become twice fg plus nu upon omega की power half into hg dash. This is equal to nu upon omega g double dash. This is the equation number 4. And equation for z component is become h dash is equal to minus p dash plus mu upon omega की power half into h double dash. This is equation number 5, where a prime denote differentiation with respect to z. In order to solve the coefficient nu upon omega की power half and nu upon omega, we make the following transformation. We take transformation neta is equal to omega upon nu की power half into z, and fz is equal to capital F neta, gz is equal to g capital G neta, and nz is equal neta z is equal to h neta, and pz is equal to p neta. Using this is the equation number 6. If we using equation number 6 in equation number 2 and 5, then this equation reduces to twice f plus h dash is equal to 0, f square minus g square plus f dash h is equal to f double dash, twice fg plus g dash h is equal to g double dash, and h dash is equal to minus p dash plus h double dash. This is equation number 7. And boundary conditions become when neta is equal to 0, capital F is equal to 0, capital G is equal to 1, 0. When neta tends to infinite, capital F is equal to 0, capital G is equal to 0. This is equation number 8. In equation 7 and 8, here prime denote differentiation with respect to neta. The solution of the first three equations of 7 can be obtained with the help of the boundary conditions in 8, and then the last of the equation 7 will give P in terms of H. Von Karman was the first to obtain the solution of the system of the equation by an approximation method, which was later improved by Cohen and other work on it. This is the diagram figure 2. This shows the velocity distribution near a rotating disk in a fluid otherwise at rest. This shows F is radial, G is tangential, and H is axial velocity. In x direction we take neta, and in y direction we take F, G, and minus H. So it can be seen from the although F, G, and H, this tend to their limiting value only asymptotically, but for all practical purpose these values are reached at about neta is equal to 5, and the corresponding value of J delta, which we calls delta is equal to 5 into nu upon omega की power half, this is equal to 9. This result is get from equation number 6. If nu upon omega is small, then delta will be small, and once again we will have a boundary layer of the shearing stress on the plane. So z theta is equal to mu into delta v theta upon delta z at z is equal to 0, and this is equal to mu omega r into omega upon nu की power half into capital G dash is equal to 0. This is equal to question number 10, and the frictional momentum on the surface of the disk is capital M is equal to minus integration 0 to q r into tau z theta into 2 pi r dr. This is equal to minus 1 by 2 pi rho a की power 4 into nu omega cube की power half into g dash 0. This is equation number 11. So they all equation are given the flow due to a rotating disk, and this is also known as Karman flow. Thank you.